So the Z-axis is installed. I really like how it turned out. It slides really nice. In fact, I don't think I could ask for better than that. So yeah, I have actually the materials to build one. I just decided that I would go ahead and buy one because frankly, I don't know that I could build one as nice as they do in the shop, whoever built this thing. It cost $150 on Amazon, which I thought was a really good deal. It feels really solid. And the only issues I had was connecting the back blocks. Obviously, their screw holes are not going to be where I need them to be, so I had to drill and recess some screws, some machine screws in there. But that's where we are. So I'm ready to put the ball screw up on the top with the motor and then connect each ball screw to each axis to the gantry so that it can move and move about and cut. So then I'm going to be doing the electrical, and I'm going to try to get as detailed as I can on that. So that's where I'm at with it. I'm really liking how it's turning out. This thing is turning out. This is going to be really, really nice, really rigid. I'm really happy with this. So yeah, hopefully I'll be cutting here in the next month. I'm guessing, because I have to leave on a work trip for a couple weeks, but I'll be back and get going on this thing. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks. Bye.